Now let's start the practice set 9, division of integers. So there are some rules. First one is there, a number cannot be divided by a 0. Like in multiplication, any number if multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. So here also any number cannot be divided by 0. Second one, denominator is always be a positive. When one number is divided by another one, its denominator is 0. Third one, if a positive number is divided by positive number, the answer will be always a positive. Fourth one, if a negative numbers are divided by the negative numbers, like -5 divided by -5, the answer will becomes in a plus. Next and last is the, if negative numbers are divided by positive numbers, the answer comes in a negative, like -10 divided by 2, so answer will become -5. Now we start our practice set 9. Let's start the practice set 9. The first sum is there, -96 divided by 16. Rule number 5. So first we have to write in a denominator form, like -96 divided by 16. So this one we have to write in a multiplication form. In a 16 table, 96 is there. 16 6 are 96 and 16 1s are 16. See, this 16 and 16 same, so this will be cancelled and we got 6 upon 1 equals to 6. If denominator is 1, so we can write like that also. So our answer is 6. Second one is there, 98 divided by -28. See, the rule number 2, according to that, denominator must be a positive. Denominator कभी negative नहीं होगा. So we have to write it -98 divided by 28. See, so this minus comes in the numerator, so it will become -98 upon 28. Now we have to find in which table both numbers are there. So 14 is the table in which 98 and 28 both comes. So we write is minus 14 into 7. 14 7s are 98 and 14 2s are 28. So 14 same, so it will cancel and we got answer 7 upon 2. So it 98 divided by -28, its answer is 7 upon 2. Now the sum number 3, 4 and 5 is based on first and second only, so this is homework. Come to the sum number 6. -150 upon -25. According to the rule number 4, negative numbers divided by negative numbers, so answer comes in a positive. That means this negative and negative will be cancelled. So we got 150 upon 25. Both number comes in a table of 25. 25 into 6 upon 25 into 1. 25 6 are 150, 25 1s are 25. So 25 cancel and we got 6 upon 1. As I said, if numerator is 1, so we have to write only the numerator. If denominator is 1, so we have to write only numerator. Now the next sum 7, 8 and 9 is homework for you. And then come to the last sum, that is sum number 10. -5 divided by -315. So here also the minus and minus will cancel, negative cancel, and we got answer in a positive. So we write 5 1s are 5 and 5 into 63. If we multiply this 5 with the 63, then we got 315. So here 5 cancel and we got 1 upon 63 is our answer. See, the answer is in positive. Now the question number 2 is homework for you. This question number 2 you can complete with the base of a question number 3 that I will show you. See the question number 3. Write 3 divisions of integers such that fractional form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. That means any integers you have to write the answer is same, minus 5 upon 7. Very simple. Minus 5 upon 7. So just write minus 5 upon 7 multiply with same number. Take either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number. So I am taking 4. So 5 4s are 20 and 7 4s are 28. So first answer is minus 20 upon 28. Second one, minus 5 upon 7 into take 5. So it will become 5 5s are 25 upon 7 5s are 35. So similarly you have to complete the third one also. Understand? Now come to the question number 4. See, there is a fish pond and in that all fish carry some number. So in that question is there, choose 4 pairs of multiplication and 4 pair of divisions. Take any number and just multiply. For example, first one, 41 multiply by 8. So if 41 is multiplied by minus 8, so we got 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, and according to the rules positive multiply with negative, so we got negative answers. According to that same method you have to complete the second, third and fourth. Now I will show you a division. Here also you can choose any number and divide it. See, the first one I choose like a minus 8 divided by minus 28. So first we have to write in a numerator and denominator form. So minus 8 divided by minus 28. So we got, according to the fourth rule, minus divided by minus. So minus minus cancel and we got 8 upon 28. So here we have to choose in which number both numbers are there, in which table. So it will comes in a 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. This 4 and 4 cancel, we got 2 upon 7 is the answer. Similarly, second example also I take minus 24 upon 12. So it's very easy, 12 के टेबल में ही दोनों आते हैं. So we write 12 2s are 24 and 12 1s are 12. So 12 and 12 cancel, we got minus 2 upon 1, and I said if in the numerator only in the denominator 1 is there, so we have to write only numerator. So its answer is minus 2. So on the basis of these two you have to write the third and fourth. So this is the practice set 9. This is practice set 9. You have to complete and send in the group or personally. Now just watch this. This is for your revision basis.